Occasionally, you may only have access to the final part model CAD and need to quickly create the associated rough stock. This can be done from the Setup Editor in NC-Simul. To understand the length needed, navigate to the Measurements ribbon and obtain a value from the Setup attachment point. The value is stored in the information window at the bottom of the screen. Right-click on Stocks and choose to Create Geometric Stock from Active Part. If accepted on its own, it'll create a solid from the part limits as is. This can be particularly useful in a milling setup. Instead, for this one, we can add the measured value to simulate the full bar stock stickout. If the result is unsatisfactory, it is now possible to modify the existing dimensions instead of creating a new model. Right-click on the created stock this time and choose Modify Geometric Stock. Edit the values by overwriting them or allow the fields to perform simple calculations. The stock will automatically update, where you can then return to the Setup ribbon and apply the changes to the assembly. With everything set to go, you are ready to start the certification of the G-code, removing material from an accurately dimensioned stock model.